Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're on this 2-litre Jaguar XE. It's a 2018, as far as I remember, from 2015 I think it is, all the way to God knows 2022, 21, something like that. It's the same engine. I'm sure it's the same even to 2024, 25, but I'm talking about the XE model. Now if you've got the engine management light on, and if you plugged it into a diagnostic, and if it comes back with P049B P23E8 P049C P0402, if it comes back with that and you've got the engine management light on and it's in limp mode, it's losing power. In your case, you may not even be losing power, but reality is when you get that, you will lose power. It's going to take the power away from you. There's a few ways around this fault, okay? So I'll show you where the location of the EGR is. So it is round here. It's this block. It's not, this is the throttle body. It's this one here at the bottom, this block here. It's got that pipe into it, this. If you remove these, it's literally this here, this component. It's really easy to work on. It's not the hardest thing. I mean, reality is if we take the engine cover off, let me just take this off and show you, it might be better this way. So reality is, remove this and this piping without damaging it, move it out of the way, and then you've got it here. Now, you can clean it, as advised, clean it and see if that works. Obviously, before getting onto that, I would personally look at the wiring loom and make sure everything's fine. Make sure that there is power going to it. If there is power going to it, everything's fine, then it's the EGR which clogs up, which is, you know, normal for a diesel car. So a recommendation is clean it, put it on. If good, good. Do a full scan and clear, move on and reset the adaptions. If that doesn't help, then the other alternative would be, the other recommendation would buy, we recommend a new EGR, because you don't want to be in the same boat. Buy a new EGR, pop it on, and then reset the adaption, and that should hopefully cure it. But that's where your EGR is, guys, here, right there. This block, as we said. It's a bit of a tricky one.